Got one all day. Nice. Oh, yeah. Little boat flip. Oh, he's a cold fish. I wanted to bite it slow. Check that out, guys. Well, I was snacking on something. I just took a little break. Good little fish. Yep. I'll just throw it into these little piles here. Right on the edge of those. One bit. It's been a cold morning. Bite's been very, very slow. This is the first one in about 2.5 hours. So, but yeah, check it out. We're gonna release this fish and then we're gonna try to get on another one. So I think it's not a pattern, but heck, I'm gonna keep trying it. It worked, obviously. So, all right, we'll get back with you when we catch another one. So that fish was last week's fish. That's the only fish that I caught. Today I'm meeting Carlos here. We're gonna fish this upper part of the creek that I don't believe I've ever put on the channel, but yeah, today we have some overcast. Winds are out of the south, and we're gonna head upstream and we're gonna see if we can get on some fish. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's, you know how it is. But other than that, yeah, just stick with us and see if we can get on them. That's our goal. So let's see if we can put something together. Nice. On the fluke? Yeah. Oh, he got one on the fluke. First fluke fish?
First fishy.
Is that your first fluke fish?
Yeah.
Carlos trying out the fluke. He caught one. He's excited. I, on the other hand, have yet to get a sniff or anything. But yeah, one of us is on. See what else we can come across. Nothing? Well, nothing on that cast, but he was getting hit on that fluke. He's throwing it to white fluke. Let's see if I don't bust my ass. Oh, dang it. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back up. Well, you guys saw the entry. I don't think you want to see the exit, so I'm gonna turn you guys off. That wasn't too bad. It's the entry part that sucks. Yeah. Next time we go to Dunlop, I need to get me one of those lonely ones.
Yeah. I'll probably go get some more. I only have 2 left.
And this water is so clear, dude.
I knew he was gonna bite. I saw him there, fucker. Yeah, he's biting.
Oh, look at that one.
That was fat too.
Yeah. This one's been eating. Nice chunk. Look at the pretty lateral lines. God. Go ahead and release this one. Oh, got him. Got him. Ooh. Shallow, dude. Oh. Here we go. Little flip action. Little joker. That's all right. We'll take the jokers. Looking for a full house though. We're gonna walk a little further. Oh, there's one. Yeah, baby. Little flip action there. Another little joker. Nothing too crazy, but fun to catch though. You gotta love that stuff, man. Hit the like button if you like it. Hit it. Don't be afraid, it's free. Oh, got another one. Got another one. Back to back cast. More flipping action, baby. Bring it to you. First, up and close. Let's get another one. Oh, got another one. That's the, guys, I ain't lying. That's the same. That's 3 in a row. Are we working on a full house now? Look at that. Check them out. Damn, it's a good day. 3 in a row. Good work, Bubba. See if we can make it 4. Yeah. Oh, got it. No, I'm just kidding. Pissing Carlos off.
So they're by the current.
Yeah. And I hooked it around the tree. Landed on that point right there. Right about there. Dang, and that one felt good. Well, they all feel good. They're feisty though. They got some energy. Well, moving on.
They're on the tree. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dude.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I don't know shit about poker, but Lady Luck's on our side today. I don't believe I've ever put this spot on the channel. But man, it looks gorgeous. Just looks freaking gorgeous. Even got a mound you can stand on. Side cast, I guess. Well, enough jacking around. Let's try to catch one. No luck. No luck at all. So, wow, it just looks so beautiful. We're gonna walk up this creek over here and just kind of mosey around, see what we can find. Be back in a minute. Getting hit right there. Could be one of those massive bluegill. Oh, got one. What is it? Oh, shoot. That's a bass. It's a bass. Whoa, a little too big to flip. But we're on the board, baby. That's a good one. Pound and a half, maybe. Let's get the release. Yeah, just throwing into this current, letting the current do the work. We just cast out there and, well, bam, we're getting them. So let's see if we can get another one. I'm gonna try right here in this little spot. If not, there's another spot we got to cross over this little bridge and see what happens. Come on, stay out of those sticks. Stay out of the sticks. Over the sticks. Oh. Another good one. Man. This day was coming where we caught nothing but, well, where we had a good time. Look at that fish, man. Golly. Those lines are beautiful. Let her go. She's gone. Another small one. Nothing to write home about. Fun to catch though. That's going to conclude today's video. We had a good time out there with Carlos, caught some fish. None of them were of any significant size, but we had fun out there. I haven't had a day like that in a while. I'm not, of course I'd like to catch the big ones, but when you're catching nothing but small ones, you'll take it when you can. And I caught him on that, the spinnerbait, but it used to be I don't know if anybody knows what a beetle bug, right? So that's what I did. I just took the beetle bug, fell off, and I have skirts and all sorts of, I always save my, whenever I break a spinnerbait, I save the blades. I got tons of blades, and I just put this together. It's a small profile, very small profile with the ball head, style. If you look at it, it does look like that beetle spin from here. And I think I painted the head white. I don't remember what I did, but anyways, that's what I caught him on. And then that modification I was telling you about was just that little pinched barrel weight. And that's how I caught him. I wasn't doing nothing special. But sometimes it's good when, the fish haven't seen something in a long time or have never seen it. They'll start smacking it. They'll start going to town with it. Oh, and by the way, some of my viewers and subscribers live in my area. Now's a good time to stock up on some stuff from Walmart, some fishing gear. I got these Rage Tails. These are really good to be throwing right now. Well, this is an all year round bait. This one, and I think it's the Rage Bug. The Rage Bugs, normally $7, down to $3. They had a whole bunch of spinning reels and whatnot, but if you're looking to get into fishing, now's the time to do it. It's on the dirt cheap right now. I bought these for like $3. Don't go to the Universal City Walmart. They don't have any. I already bought them all out. Because I love using these things. I love using them. Anyway, that's going to conclude our fishing trip for the day. I want to thank all my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you for watching. And I was just here cleaning some reels, and I'll get back to doing that. Until then, catch you on the next one. Love you guys.